Come test drive the 2017 Outlander Sport. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.